Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about data types in TypeScript. Okay, we have there are two type of data types we have. Okay, one is built-in data types and another one is user defined data types. Okay, first we'll see for built-in data types what all the things are presented means we have number and then void and we have string and null and undefined and boolean. These are the data types we have. Okay, these are the built-in data types. We can able to use these data types and we can able to do it. And the user defined data types we have array, class, object, sorry, not object, class, tuple, and we have enum, and we have function, and we have interface. These are the user defined data types. Okay, these are the user defined data types. And we'll see for first in this video what all the built-in data types are presented, right? That all the built-in data types one by one we'll see into in this session. Okay, and next video session we'll see for remaining user defined and all one by one we'll let that completion. Okay. Now built-in is basically the first one we have need to see for number. Okay, I'm going to create here one file that is called a number file. Set number dot numbers. Yes, I will mention ts. Okay, this is my file, and I'm going to declaring for now. Here is number. First one, where int one. I'm going to declaring as a number. Okay, equal to 12. This is my integer value. Okay, the same case I'm going to do it for float value. Okay, and then again I'm going to delete providing for hexadecimal value OX37 CF hexadecimal value, and again I will provide one more hexadecimal value 00300. Okay, and I'll provide for one more value that is a binary value. Okay, 0B 111001. Okay, these are the numbers I'm going to provide. I'll provide for this value 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, all these values I'll go on declaring int 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, these are the my values. If we compare, it will show you for all the type of results. Okay, first we'll do for compilation. TSC space dot slash, and I'm going to use for numbers dot ts. Okay, it will compare the file, and then we need to use for node space dot slash file name dot js. You can see all the numbers are displayed here. What are the things we added, right? All the things it is displayed here. Okay. Then how to declare for these are numbers we can able to number can able to access for float value, integer value, negative value, any kind of value it will accept it. Okay. Then we can able to see for integer type value. Integer, sorry, string type. Now string type we'll see. For the strings, I'm going to create another file. String type dot ts. Okay, and here I'm going to declaring for string value. Okay, and where emp name equal to, and I'm providing for name of the value. Lokesh I'm going to provide. Then where, and I'm going to declaring for now without data type now, right? Name one dot a string. So string is a small letter. S means small letter, and I'm going to make it for it. Okay, like this we can able to declare, and we can able to concatenate this both the values where equal to str equal to emp name one plus concatenating purpose space I'm providing, and again I'm going to concatenating using for emp name one. Okay, even we can able to console dot log, and we can able to print for str. Okay, str also we can able to print it. Now we can able to do it for save this element, like compile first string type, and we can able to use it for js node. You can see Lokesh it is presented. Okay, this is another format we can able to provide it. And next one is we can able to do it for there is another type will be presented. It's a boolean. We can able to use for boolean. Okay, for boolean we can boolean will accept for true or false. Any one of them it will accept. It will not accept more than that. Okay, boolean will accept for true or false, where b colon boolean equal to true. If you use like this, you can able to print this one true or false. This will accept for true or false only. Okay, and another type we have, that is a void. This a void is basically a return type. If you know already programming language which is related to Java, okay, and you can able to see this void. Void is basically a return type. At the return type, it will return. It will not return anything. Is the function we can able to make it like if you know that function like method or function any other language we can able to select public. They can able to use a public void and numbers, and they will make it for like this, and they will do it right. The void is basically a return type of value. It will not return anything, but we can't able to use it any return type because it will not return any value, but this is a return type of value. If you declare in the while equation, you become a like you are using for string or integer any kind of thing, you need to use for return type of the function. Okay, the similar format we have that function hello, and I'm going to create the function and colon. If I declare the void, is a function return type is a void. We don't require any return type of this function. Then we can able to just print inside the function itself. Log you can able to use welcome to TypeScript. This is the one format we can able to do it. Okay. And if you run this particular program, it will print for this particular value. If you print here, now again I'm printing here. sorry, function I am not called. Whenever you need to print something the function side, you need to call the function also. The function is not returning properly. Sorry. Once you modified something, you have to convert back again the file. Otherwise, it will not accept. Now you can print it now, right? It is printed. These semicolons are not mandatory. Even you can remove and save and again compile, again run for that. Then only it will help you work. Without, like, if you modify it, but you are going to run for old existing code only. Okay, now I added for comma. I saved this one. If I click for string st1, if we come down, you can see still the here semicolon is presented. But in my place, it is not there in the semicolon because I'm not using. Still, I'm not compiled. That's why it is not showing. Right? We can do it like that. And we have another concept that is called a number. You can comment this one. That is null null data type. Null data type. Null data type is nothing but it is represent the value is undefined. If you declare a variable using a null, that value become undefined. You can able to see where number I'm going to using and I'm going to declare as a type as a number, but I'm not going to define any value. Just I'm going to declaring a null. Okay. Type null is not assigned in the number. Okay, I can able to go ahead and console dot log and I'm going to print it for my num1. Okay, now again I'm going to compile this particular file. It is converted. Then if you see this particular string type file, it will provide you like this. Okay, even you can able to make it. See, null is comes to the picture. The value become it is null because it is undefined. The value is not defined. And if I want to assign something value into that particular number 1 equal to 10, I can able to assign it. And even we can able to print again one more time this particular num value. Okay, saved and again compile this particular value ts and all. Again it will change the value and use the node.js to run your file. Now you can see first it is undefined and later it is converted into 10 because we assign into 10 value for that. Okay, and also we have another function that is called undefined. We have another type is undefined. Undefined is the keyword. Okay, this is also one kind of function data type. If you declare a undefined, it will become a undefined value. It will similar format, it will work with a null. Similar format also it will work that. But is the only thing is like primitive type all uninstallized. Like anything like without install that particular value variable, then we can able to use it this undefined also. Okay, similar format how you here read a similar format you can able to use for undefined itself. If you use undefined, the value become undefined itself. And once you declare the value, we can able to get it the value from result. Okay. Another great feature we have in the TypeScript that is any. Another feature that is very great feature. It will accept for any data type. It is not only a single data type. It will accept for any data type. Okay, we'll see in that. That is any data type. There is another new feature. Okay, how we can able to declare now previous what will happen where num1 equal to colon number and we declare for number as 10, right? This is the one format we do that, but it will accept for integer value, right? If you use for num1 equal to string format, then you can see it will show you that type string is not assigned the type of number, where number equal to number. Okay, you have to provide the number, then it will go for error, otherwise it will not go, right? This is a one problem. Now I'm going to use for any equal to 10 now. Okay, here I am passed for 10. Now you can see number equal to single quotation Lokesh and closed semi. Now I'm not getting any error. I can able to assign integer, float, boolean, string, hexadecimal value, any kind of value I can able to assign, because I use the key as a any. If you use the key as any, you can able to access any data type without any fail. We can able to access it. You can see here I'm going to do for console.log, and I'm going to use for num1, that is the integer one, and here is string one. Okay, then we create the variable type. And can we create the function type to get this any function? Yes, we can. I'm going to create the function, then my function, and here I'm going to use for x colon any comma y colon any, and I'm going to returning for return type also any. Now here I'm going to do for console dot a log, and here I'm going to use for x plus I'm going to concatenating two values to b. Okay, there's a format I'm going to do. Even we can able to do it for plus also, like this, without concatenating also we can able to do it. Okay, then I'm going to use it here. Sorry, not b, y. Okay, now I'm going to call my function. I'm going to providing for 5 comma 10. This is my first calling, and again I'm going to use for my function, and I'm going to use for Lokesh and single quotation testing. Both the cases I'm passing. Okay, above also normal variable and printed, and function creation and printing. Both the cases I'm doing now. Now again I will need to compile our file. Now compiled. Then again I need to run my file. Now you can see 10 Lokesh is displayed, 15 and Lokesh testing also displayed. Okay, this is a way we can able to do it for built-in functions using TypeScripting. Okay, I hope this concept will help you to understand that. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.